Hi, y'all. I'm really excited today because I have merch and I ordered myself some and it came. Ooh. Tis from SpreadShirt and I'm so pumped. This is very cute. This is so cute. All right. So I'm gonna open it up. I haven't opened it. It's new. It's fresh. Ah! Okay. All right. And I ordered. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. This is exciting. Ah. Come on. Okay. Oh, cool. All right. Nice. This is the. Boy, the color is really off on this, but you can see it in the background. That's cool. This is the album cover. Yay. Man, those colors look weird. It's a green screen. Cool. And this is a double XL. That's so cool. It's cotton. Fruit of the Loom HD cotton. I don't know what's high definition about it, but there we go. That's so cool! Yay! Rad. And okay, so that's the shirt. Awesome. And I ordered another shirt because it was like a cool tie-dye. Yes. This one has my face on it. I guess my face is my logo. So, yep. That's cool. Oh, this is so neat. Can you see that? Yeah, that's real tie-dye. That's not a print. That's so cool. It's like a gray and black tie-dye. Whoa. I'm gonna put it on. This is great. Yes. I will be sleeping in this for sure. Woo! Oh, wait. What's going on? Oh, it's a tag. Right. Spider black. Cool. Yes! Woo! Oh, this is exciting. Is it vain? Am I being vain? I don't know. Anyway, okay. Oh, and then there's two more things. Should be. Unless they come separately. I thought I ordered stickers too. Did they fall out somewhere? Nope. I guess that'll have to be for another day. Stickers haven't come yet. Well, anyway, those will be cool when they get here. All right. Thanks for watching. I'm really pumped. The album drops on Saturday, though you can get it on Bandcamp now. But it'll be worldwide streaming on Saturday, the 20th. So whatever playlist you like, YouTube, Spotify, whatnot, it'll be on there. So, all right. Thanks, y'all. Have a great day and bye for now.